Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that Edel token is good or not. Now before we start the video, let's hear my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. Firstly, you have to open this token on CoinMarketCap and copy this address. After that, you have to open GoPlusLab.io website and paste here token address. And you have to select this token native blockchain and click on check button. So here you can check risky item and attention item. Risky item is 0 and attention item is also 0. Now here you can see top 10 holders liquidity percentage. Top 10 holders liquidity percentage is around 58%. Token holders is around 5,000 and total supply is 1 billion Edel token. After that you have to open this token on CoinMarketCap and click on market section. Now here you can check this token is listed on Bitmart, Lbank and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 65% chances is that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.